and welcome to this answer explanation video. This video will take you through the answers to the measure capacity worksheet and we'll talk you through some of the tricky bits.
In this video, I will take you through the answers to the measure capacity worksheet. Question 1. Sally emptied the water from the vase into the glasses. The vase was full. Complete the sentence. The capacity of the vase is glasses. So I can see that not all of the glasses have been filled. Let's count the full glasses, as this number will tell us the capacity of the vase. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 glasses were filled, so the capacity is 4 glasses. Question 2. Sam emptied a full teapot into these cups. Circle the correct capacity of the teapot. And then we've got 3 statements down here. So all of the cups have been filled. Let's count them to find the capacity of the teapot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cups. So we know that the teapot holds 7 cups. Now let's read the statements. Which one matches? So we've got the capacity of the teapot is 8 cups. Well, we know it holds 7, so it can't be that one. The capacity of the teapot is 7 cups. That one seems right to me. But let's also check C. The capacity of the teapot is 5 cups. Well, that doesn't match, so it's B. B is the statement that matches. Okay, question 3. 1 bucket holds 2 jugs of water. 1 bucket and 2 jugs. What is the capacity of 5 buckets? So we know 1 bucket holds 2 jugs. That means that every single bucket holds 2 jugs. I'm going to write 2 to show each one holds 2 jugs. Now I can see that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 2, and it's the same as 2, add 2, add 2, add 2, add 2. So we can count in 2s to work out the answer. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 jugs. 5 buckets hold 10 jugs of water in total.
That was the answer explanation video for the measure capacity worksheet from Classroom Secrets. If you want to watch a video tutorial linked to this skill, visit kids.classroomsecrets.co.uk. For more resources linked to this learning, visit classroomsecrets.co.uk.